Hare Krishna. So this video is regarding how to register yourself for Gita for You level 1 course. So in your WhatsApp message you will find there's a link of our website, that is ISKCON Vijayawada, www.iskonvijayawada.org. Once you come to the home page of this website, then you go to down, you will find there is one button called new registration. After clicking this new registration button, you have to manually enter all the input field which is being asked here, your first name. So for practice I'm just filling this for testing purpose. uh, so here mobile number is unique. Okay, so if at all in your family member, so there are 4 members, but if they are using the same mobile number it will not be accepted. So mobile number is unique. So for every registration, participant has to use a unique mobile number, different mobile number. Only one mobile number is accepted per registration. So randomly I'm just putting mobile number here. Qualification, whichever qualification you have. Profession also. Address, you can put your address, street one, then your correct address you can put, then city, your pin code, state, and there are a lot of country options are there. So by default it is now India. For as per the city, this pin code and state, it will automatically give you this India option, but for the foreign country people they have to select manually. Then this is password, you can select your own desired password. So I'm just putting my password. Once again, for confirming the same password, here security question is asked your birth year. Okay, so here you can put any this in case in future you may forget your password. So that time, in order to recover your password, you may have to answer this question, which year you born. So that time you can put this year, whichever year you have mentioned. Okay, then click on register. So it will show you this message: registration completed successfully, please log in to proceed with course registration. Okay, so now this is just we can say step 1 process, just to register yourself for the this Gita for You course. But now you have to select specifically the batches, like timing and the language, your convenient language and all. So once you are registered, then you go to here, click here Gita for You. Here you will find user ID or enter password, or if you want to log in you can go to your home page also. There at the bottom you will find login option. So here you just put this user ID, which is your unique mobile number, and the password. then login. So now you have entered into your own account. You will find three options: course registration, logout, and donate to ISKCON. So go to the course registration. So you will find there are different options available as per the timing of batches, medium, then who is instructor and all. So you can just go through it like whichever options you are comfortable with as far as timing and uh, medium of language concern. So 3 to 4 p.m. Telugu, 8 to 9 p.m. Telugu, 8 to 9 p.m. English, all things are there. So I'm just randomly selecting anything. So I'm selecting this one, first one. Okay, so click on register me. So it will go to the next page where it is showing congratulations for registering to the course. Please click the below button to add to the new WhatsApp groups. So now after this you have to, it is mandatory that you should join our WhatsApp group for all the future communication. For example, now this course is online, so we will be inviting all the participants on Zoom, and we'll be sharing Zoom details to all of you through this WhatsApp groups. Okay, so you must join the WhatsApp group, otherwise you don't get any notification about batches and any other thing. So just join WhatsApp group. So it will show you open it Chrome or WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp application, then just click on WhatsApp application. It will show that this BG3 English 6am L plus NL SRNP, this is a group name, and it's telling you to join. So just join group means what, you will be automatically join this particular group where you will get notification every day for all your classes and all. Now once again go back to your course, then go to my ISKCON. So this is again your profile. So this is the complete process of registration as well as course selection by logging into your profile. So once again you can log in out, log out. So this is how actually you have to register as well as login. In case if you have any doubt or any query regarding this, you can always uh, reach us by clicking on this WhatsApp, this particular button which is highlighting here, so that your query will be solved. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.